Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Anus.
Let's break it down.
This word is short but often mispronounced. The correct way is anus. Start with A, like the letter A, and finish with a soft nus. Together, anus. Now, let's practice it 3 times together. Ready? Anus. 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 If you got it right all 3 times, you just mastered a word that many people feel shy to say.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Anus. 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 Anus.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.